Hey child, and welcome back to my channel. I am not feeling my best today, but baby, I pushed myself up out that bed to get this video posted because I'm so excited. One of my favorite OG YouTubers, Courtney Adelaide. I remember when she was in her bathroom doing her hair when she was in nursing school on YouTube, right? Well, she started a brand that used to be my favorite brand ever. And what brand was that? The Main Choice. Well, 5 years ago, she sold it and they did something to them products, y'all. So listen, amen. Things ain't what they used to be, but she is back now. She has started her own brand again. And so I'm gonna see if I fall in love again. And what brand is that? Watch and see. This is her Flourishing collection. She has some things for repair, for moisture, but all of the collection is inspired for growth because I'm seeing biotin enriched. That's exciting. And I want to say shout out to Courtney because following her footsteps is what gave me the boldness to start my own brand as well. I'm starting with an oil. Y'all know all about it. I'll link a video up if you're new here. Discount code down below. But seeing what was possible for people like her and Natural 85 gave me the boldness to go ahead and launch on my own journey as well. So shout out to the black girls that's holding it down. So with that being said, let's hold it down real quick. Now I'm gonna tell you right now, okay? I bought this stuff with my own coins. Now her whole collection, she has a slick back glaze, which is to slick your ponytails down. She has a flourishing oil. Y'all know I already got my own, so I didn't need that. She has a pre and post poo conditioner, a rehydrating spray, a flourishing shampoo, and a leave-in conditioner. Baby, I got two products. We just gonna see if that work out for me, and if it do, I go back and buy some more. I got the meat and potatoes. And what is that? I have the flourishing mask, and then I have a styler, which is the twist and braid out soufflé. I didn't feel like I needed a leave-in if I'm gonna use a cream styler, but we'll get into all that later. So with that being said, let me go wash and prep my hair off camera, and then we're gonna get right into what I'm hoping I love, which is the flourishing mask. All right, guys, enough of all that talking. Let's get into this video. So this is the Wash and See Flourishing Mask. It is See the Repair Deep and Continuous. It is a biotin enriched product. It is infused with sea kelp, seaweed, and algae. It is for deep repair to damaged hair, restoring strength, moisture, and vitality. It's to keep your hair healthy and prevent future damage. And for you ingredient conscious girlies, I don't see silicone in the ingredients, but I'm not licensed. Do your Googles to make sure I'm right. Lastly, this is an 8-ounce product and it was, I believe, 20 American dollars. Baby, if you ain't learned nothing about Courtney by now, she gonna get them coins. Amen. Speaking of coins, this is available, of course, on the company's website, but if you are an in-store shopper, it is currently at Target. On the day I'm recording this, a lot of people are boycotting Target, which I totally agree with because I ain't rocking with them either, but just know she did a price difference. So it is $1 more on the website, $1 less at the store at Target. I just want to put that out there. Wherever you stand on the issues, where you stand. I'm just giving you the information. So speaking of information, let's crack this open. Okay, it's different. I'll be honest with y'all, I don't really love the smell. They got the whole aquatic thing going on and it's translated into this. It's not a bad smell, it's just not a preferred one. As far as the product itself, baby, she thick with it. So I'm gonna rub this together. Of course, you'll probably use less product if you do this in the shower. I ain't got time for all that. So let's put it on. It got some slip. She got some slip and it is absorbing right into my hair. Although it is a thicker cream, it's actually a little whipped in texture, which is helping it to feel like it's more so absorbing into my hair versus just sitting on top of it. So I do like that. Lightweight too. Yeah, y'all see how my hair just drinking that right on up? So it's a nice texture. I give you that. But of course, I will not know what I truly think about it until it processes. The instructions say apply mask generously to clean damp hair from roots to end. Girl, I should have read this first. Anyway, leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes for a quick treatment. For deep repair, leave it on for 10 to 15 with a plastic cap and apply heat. Rinse thoroughly. Use 1 or 2 times a week or as needed, baby. I'm not doing this no 2 times a week, praise God. So this is what I'm going to do. I don't have no caps right now, so baby, I'm gonna get good grit of the grocery bag, put that on top of my hair, get under the dryer, let that sit for about 20 minutes. I'm gonna come back and let y'all know what I think. Alrighty, children, so I just rinsed out my hair. I wanted y'all to see it before I detangle this. So I'm gonna come in. I don't know if y'all can tell, but my curls is popping already. So I know that whatever she got in there for restorative nature, it definitely is working because my hair is not usually this defined when I rinse it out. Now, as far as the slip, I would say I want more. And let's just be honest. I want more slip. The moisture level for me is medium. I personally like really heavy oil-based products just because it just makes my hair a little bit more easy to manage with my tighter texture. So that's just personal preference. So let me actually go detangle and get ready to style, and then we can talk more about it. I'll be right back. Minnie Mouse at your service. So let's get into this next product. This is the Watch and See Twist and Braid Out Soufflé. See the perfection. It is to shine and define. It's meant to deliver lasting hold while deeply nourishing and infusing your strands with moisture and shine. Perfect for all hair types. It provides the ideal balance of hydration, control, helping you achieve soft, bouncy, and frizz-free styles with ease. Now, I did go on Courtney's Instagram, and she said, wow, you can get cute results if you use this on dry hair. You get the best results if you use it on wet hair, which is why, although I want to do a blown out twist, that we just gonna rock out with this. Now, as far as the price goes, this was, I believe, like 16 bucks, and it was for 12 ounces of product. So let's get into it. Okay, and I'm just going to do individual twists just to see how my hair likes it. So this is, it's a thick creamy, baby. She thick. And I'm gonna just put this on my hair. I ain't gonna do nothing too special, y'all. This is one of those things I won't know how I like it until I rinse it out, till I take my hair down. So I'm gonna just brush this through to make sure every strand is coated. Shout out to Amania Beauty. This is an amazing brush. I like that it has rubber on it so that you can glide it right through your hair. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. And from here, first of all, I like how springy this is, baby. The shrinkage is something. Listen, that reparative conditioner, baby, it definitely helped with some elasticity. Had me looking real bald head in the streets. Okay, so anyway, nothing too crazy. I'm just going to strand this on down. This has a great amount of slip to it. I love the way this feels on my hair. Like, I love the texture of the styling cream. And now that I'm close to the bottom, bada boom, bada bing, we're done here. I love the way this feels on my hair. Need to see it when it's dry. Wait a minute, y'all see how juicy this is? Boing. Oh, so this is what I'm gonna do. Let me go ahead and twist the rest of my hair. I'll be back to show you what we're looking like. Okay, my hair is not dry, but it's getting close to it. But what I'm gonna do to help accelerate the process is take these twists down and let my hair dry in its full fluffy state. Now, I wanted y'all to see what my hair looks like before I start manipulating this. We like that. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just go ahead and unravel the twist. And as y'all can see though, there is no frizz or anything like this. So if you just sit under the dryer and let it dry, it will be frizz free. Like we like that. As far as, let me actually separate with it. So this is what it looks like when I am starting to messing with it. So let me go ahead, finish drying it. I'm gonna come back and show y'all the final results real quick because we need to talk. And we're done. This is usually where I will come with a full beat face. Baby, I ain't got it in me today. The worst thing I did was put my head under some water knowing I didn't feel good. I'm struggling. Let's wrap this up. So let's talk, watch and see. So she has a complete collection full of, let me count, 8 products. They are ranging, it looks like, between about $15 to $20 or so dollars. Considering the quality of the ingredients, I think that is fair. Now let's get into the specifics. This flourishing mask, I actually did not use a lot. I don't know if y'all can see, I put like a little dent in it. This particular mask, this is good for those. It has a finer strand. This is for someone who doesn't like their hair to feel weighed down, don't like a greasy texture that makes it feel easier to detangle at all. This is for someone who likes a lighter formula. If you are someone that, I mean, OG Shea Moisture, before, okay, you understand me? The original collection, before any changes. If you like heavy ingredients like that, this ain't that. If you are someone that likes that really saturated feeling, this ain't that. This is lightweight moisture. So I just want to make that very clear. That doesn't mean it's a bad product. It's just not my preference. I like the super duper heavy stuff, and this ain't that. Would I use it again? Yes, simply because the elasticity, baby, the shrinkage on 10. When I say it is reparative, it is reparative. So if I'm feeling like I need some strength in my hair, yes. But would this be what I would go to when I just need a moisturizing wash day? This wouldn't be that for me. This would just be for strength that also gives me a little bit of moisture included. I hope that makes sense. But let's talk about the star of the show. This, I like this. Now keep in mind, I'm not really a cream styler person. I prefer a mousse or a gel, but if I am going to do a cream styler, this is nice. This respectfully had more moisture for me than this did, which I understand because this is moisture strengthening balance. This got all the moisture. It got moisture, it has slip. When I sat under the dryer, even though I didn't love the smell, as I sat there, it started shifting. I was like, oh, wait a minute, this is growing on me. It smells good. The slip on is absolutely bananas, like seriously, and very, very moisturizing. Now they say hold. I would say this is something that by day 2, because I'm so used to dealing with these products, by day 2 I would have to retwist my hair. This isn't something that I could just bam, put a bonnet on. And for me, that's pretty standard for a cream based styler. So if you are someone that loves twist outs, braid out, and you like cream, this is nice. I truly love this. I would have no problem purchasing this again. My hair feels great, especially if I were to do mini twists. This would be perfect because it has such a nice level of moisture that I wouldn't have to do like a whole lot. I just spritz some water, do a mini twist with this, and it would last. But as far as like a twist out, braid out, or something like that, when you start unraveling, as y'all can see, I got some frizz. That was from me using the pick and separating and things like that. But y'all saw the original results before any unraveling. This did not leave frizz on my hair at all. Overall, I feel like it's a nice collection. The flourishing mask, just for me, I need a little bit more slip and moisture, just my personal preference. But I do like how it strengthened my hair, because when I'm looking at it, I'm like, baby, she shrunk. This twist and soufflé, instant staple. So that is my thoughts on the Watch and See collection. I am open to trying more. I'm also open to going to sit my tail down somewhere, because this, baby, I don't feel good at all. All right, so this is it for me. I love y'all can see the parts on the ends where I didn't do any picking, twisting, or anything like that. They stayed intact. So any frizz you see is from manipulation, but if you don't manipulate, you'll be just fine. All right, that's all I gotta say, y'all. I don't want to talk to you no more. All right, I've seen you enough. If you have any questions, I'll leave it down below. I love y'all. Maki Dada, I'm out this piece. I am going to bed. Bye, y'all.